Yo, what is going on, everybody? We are back with another video. Today, I gotta show you guys how to make these delicious bars. You can call them energy bars, protein bars, whatever you want to call them. Just make it your own. But wait, where's my bar at? Hold on. Ah, that's better. But anyways, thanks for coming back. Look how beautiful this bar is. It's still a work in progress, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got so far. I'm gonna go back in the past and give it to young Romello, and he'll show you how to make this. All right, y'all. First, you can either use the blender or the food processor, but I think we'll use the food processor. I feel like it'll be easier. First, the most important thing you wanna do is soak you some dates. So I had these soaking for about a couple hours. So we're gonna drain these and get them in the food processor. Then we're gonna throw in some walnuts. Then to get our omega-3s and protein, hemp seeds. Bunch of hemp seeds, let's do a bunch. Let's make it a protein one, all right? Y'all always be asking, why are you getting a protein? Well, not y'all, but you know, if you plant-based, you know. Oh, and we're gonna add some goji berries. And just a little bit of cacao nibs. Now let's get it. I love you. Now it should not take too long. All right, this is how y'all want it. This is how you want it to be right here. And make it all sticky, like a dough. Yeah, buddy. All right, we're gonna grab a pan. This one might be a little too big. I don't know if I got anything smaller. And we're gonna grab a little mixing bowl before the pan. We're gonna put this whole mixture in our bowl. Now this is a good mixture as it is, but y'all know how I get down, so let's elevate it. Now we're just gonna throw some oats in. Start with a little bit. I'm gonna use our hands and get it all in there. Yeah, get you all in there, oats. Where you going, oats? Yeah. Combine. Combine. Now we're gonna grab our pan. See that dirty hand? Throw this boy on. Just like that. Oh. Stick to the parchment paper, not me. So y'all can either roll it up into some circles, or we making bars over here. Now, to top it off, you can throw some almond butter on top. Not too much, not too much, not too much. Just a little bit. Oh man, that's too much. Bro, no. Oh, come on, bro. All right, I try to get a nice drizzle, but we'll just smear it. Now we're gonna throw this in the fridge for about an hour. Yeah, Copper and I, we decided to go for a walk. Maybe cold, but it's how we killing time. And this boy got way too much energy sometimes. So we gotta kill his energy. We gotta drain it. But yeah, I'll see y'all back in the kitchen to give the bars a try though. All right, we got our bars. Now let's get to cutting. Hey, y'all wanna try one? Let's try one. Take a little gander at that boy. Ooh wee. All right, so obviously we need to work on it to get it not so flimsy, but this is what we got. Maybe throw it in the freezer or something. I don't know. Oh. Oh man, these boys slap. This is on a whole different level, y'all. I hope y'all give this a try. But for now, y'all know what this means, right? Give me that like. Drop that like if you enjoyed this video. We all know you enjoyed the video, and we all know you're gonna try it. Comment down below what your thoughts on this is. If you do try it, or if you plan on trying, or maybe you just don't want to try and it's not for you. And then hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss a single drop. And I'll see y'all next week.